Hello everybody, a very warm welcome from SD Capital. You are watching SD Capital's official YouTube channel. This is our second session in the month of May. Link to our Facebook page and our mail ID will be shared at the bottom of this video. If you have any questions or you need any clarification, please feel free to reach out to us via the email or our page inbox. Please keep following SD Capital Facebook page for daily interesting updates. As promised, we will share a particular script today, which we believe in the NSE market have a long-term potential. But before we go there, we will continue our discussion on different sectors today, just the way we have been doing so far. So every session so far, we have discussed one particular sector which we believe to get impacted seriously by COVID-19. The sector we are going to talk through today is the aviation sector. So, what was happening in aviation sector before COVID-19? Aviation sector was actually having a good time. After the financial meltdown of 2008 to 10, when economy was recovering, aviation sector was having a pretty great growth. So, many countries offered untaxed jet fuel. People have money. When economy is recovering, people obviously have money, which means apart from business travel, leisure travel was also growing, which means more business for airlines companies. Some of the airlines companies actually had some ingenious ideas and they were generating more and more revenue. For example, Ryanair. Ryanair got rid of toilets on their planes and they utilized that space to create few more seats in the cabin. And that way they were generating more and more revenue. What do you think about that? It's a short distance flight and they had their own logic and people were still flying with them. Tons of people flying with them. So they were making good money. Now what happens February 2020? COVID-19 strikes the world. It started in December, but the actual impact started in February. More and more countries entered into some kind of a lockdown. By April, almost 75% of world population was living under some kind of lockdown. International travel is kind of banned. What does that mean for aviation industry? No passenger, no flight. Operation almost suspended. Many of the airlines industry completely grounded their planes rather. So, aviation industry got really badly impacted because of COVID-19. COVID-19 is a contagious disease and hence isolation, lockdown, this is the norm of life now. Nobody is traveling. So aviation industry's source of income completely dried up. Now, many of the European countries gradually lifting their lockdown. Does that mean aviation sector will come back to normalcy right away? They will bounce back? Probably no. Because of these lost business, they are many of them, not all of them, many of them are on the verge of collapsing. Virgin Atlantic is one such company. That's a big airlines, but they are almost on the verge of collapsing. They are now seeking bailout. And bailout terms and conditions many a times depends on the entity who is bailing out, which is more often than not is government. So what is happening there? Very interesting. Many of the European governments are telling airlines industries, okay, I will bail you out, but that will have strings attached. And what are the strings? They are telling airlines industry basically to pursue sustainability agenda more seriously. Airlines industry has been one of the industries polluting the environment in a great way. And they are one of the highest polluting industries. So now government is telling you have to reduce your pollution footprint. You go for new planes so that your pollution goes down. You go for renewable jet fuels so that your pollution goes down and all of it. So what choice they have? If they want bailout, they have to play by government rules. At least European government are imposing such restrictions, which is actually good for environment. But what does that mean to the airlines industry? Buying new planes means lot of investment. Going for renewable jet fuel, lot of operational challenges. Then let us look at some other aspects. Social distancing. Most of the governments will probably tell aviation sector that okay, you start operation, but you have to make sure that social distancing is maintained in the cabin. Then many of the airlines industries are coming up with the answer like I won't book the middle seat. What does it mean again? That only means their revenue is going to go down. Instead of three people in a row, there will be two people in that row. Next, some of the aviation industry companies are coming up with different kind of medical tests. Emirates tried that sometime back. That is, you get tested right before boarding the flight so that they can ensure whoever is flying with them is corona free. Medical tests are not free. So that setup is going to cost them more. So there are different challenges. But let's see how this particular sector actually deals with this kind of challenges. Aviation industry employs most of the brilliant minds on the earth, for the record. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm sure some of the companies in that particular sector will come up with some brilliant ideas which will save the day, and I'm really waiting to see. But for the time being, I will say, as an investor, let's be cautious and let's watch out before we go to the before we make any investment there. As retail investors, probably I would say it's not the right time to enter that sector in a big way just because the stock price is really cheap. So, coming back to what we promised, yes, in the month of May, this is the second session, and there will be a script in the NSE market which SD Capital believes to have a long term potential. Today's script is Titan. Titan is a company which we believe has a huge growth potential. What should be the ideal buy price? What is the target price? What is the stop loss? All of that will be shared with SD Capital client only. But this is for anybody and everybody listening to our channel, that this particular company, looking at the fundamentals, it looks to have a great growth potential. If you buy this company stock at the right price, we are sure it will benefit your investment portfolio greatly. So far, that's all from SD Capital. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, stay corona free. We will meet again in June. Bye.